Hello my viewers, another question and answer time. I got some questions to answer here. One of them is, do I do side work? Side work being work beyond my normal job, and the answer is no, I do not. I'm sure that everybody out there has their reasons for doing it or not doing it. Uh, me, aside from what the law states, okay, being that you do have to have an air conditioning license in the state of that where you live, and be I guess licensed. Who knows? I don't even know what the laws are like throughout the country, but I know here in Florida you have to have a Florida professional license in the HVAC field to actually operate. I mean, an EPA card does not mean that you can work on air conditioners outside of your workplace. Okay. Now, I'll admit that there's times that I've helped friends or, of course, relatives, and I've even been known to do some charity work in the past, but I don't really do any work on the side for money, because that, number one, can bite you in the butt. Because the minute you work on somebody's air conditioner, that means you own that air conditioner until the day they decide to get another one or something. Because believe me, I mean, I've been there, I have done that, and I don't want any part of it ever again. Another question I usually get in my email is, what brand of air conditioning system do I recommend or like the most? I don't like answering that question at all. The reality is every brand has its good points and they have their bad points. Every single one of them, right up and down. I mean, I don't care. You can name a brand and I could probably figure out something that just ain't quite right with it. Or I can tell you what I like about it. But I cannot recommend any one air conditioning system brand. Another question I've been getting about R22 being so expensive now. I mean, right now, as of today, it's on the average of about $500 for a 30-pound jug. That's crazy. I mean, I remember about 10 years ago you could pick up the same jug for about $40. Now, the reason it's getting expensive is because, of course, many of you know about the phase out. This means that they're going to be making less and less of virgin R22 year after year until, of course, 2021. That's it. They're not going to make any more. And then all the R22 that you can get will be reclaimed. I think it's about that time for people that have a lot of R22 systems to take care of, to start thinking about using a drop-in replacement, because now the drop-in replacement refrigerants are becoming less expensive. The drop-in replacements that you'll find out there are like MO99 and R422D, and that's for the high temperature applications. And of course, for medium and low temperature applications, you're looking at R422A. Those are the true drop-in replacements out there, among a few others. But there are other alternatives if you already have POE oil in the system, of other refrigerants that might even be better. I guess it's just going to have to take its course until there are no more R22 systems out there to be had. And I tend to have problems with our 410A in the high temperature applications like air conditioners in areas such as Florida, Arizona, Southern California, where they're places where the summers can reach temperatures above 90 degrees. Of course, I know you're going to get temperatures above 90 throughout probably many parts of the country, but where the temperature is consistently in the 90s, especially, R410A is not really the best refrigerant, I don't believe, to be used. And it's not as energy efficient as if they were to design systems using R134A, to give you an example. I'd like to see some arguments on that. I really would. But anyway, that's what I got today. Thank you for watching.